Storm's Tech channel here, and today I'm doing a video about the Moto G Power 2022 version for Verizon Prepaid. So Verizon Prepaid now has the Moto G Power 2022 version. It's available now for $249.99. No contracts, of course. It's available in dark gray, so it's kind of like a dark gray color there. You guys will get 64 gigabytes of storage. So yeah, this is the Moto G Power 2022 version. So this is what the phone looks like here. Very nice looking. Fingerprint sensor on the back of the phone as well, and the iconic Motorola logo. So that's pretty nice there. Pretty nice looking phone. Not bad for $250. Kinda a little pricey, but it's Verizon, so they do tend to price the phones a bit high there, but you know. So let's go ahead and check out the Moto G Power here. So there it is, front and back. You guys do have your hole punch with your front facing camera there. That's the front there. Like I said, hole punch with your front facing camera. Earpiece above that. Power and volume keys on the right side of the phone there. Power and volume keys on the right side there. Yeah, power and volume keys here. So yeah, there's the back of the phone. You guys do get the triple camera setup along with the camera flash, fingerprint sensor, and the iconic logo right there. So pretty nice feature there, and good place to put it inside the logo. So pretty unique feature there. It looks like it has like a textured back to it, so it'd be good for grip and whatnot. So pretty nice looking back. There's the back in full detail there. It looks like you guys got a dual flash, I think. I think it's dual flash. I think I could be wrong, or it could just be a single flash. I'm not really sure. It kind of looks like a single flash to me. There's the back of it again. The left side has your micro SD and SIM card slot. Your micro SD and SIM card slot is on the left side of the phone, and it's right here on the left, right here. And then there's the front of it again. And there's the front and back of it again there. So the Moto G Power 2022 version is 3.1 inches in width, 6.58 inches in height, 23 days of standby time, 72 hours of usage time. You get an 8 megapixel front facing camera and a 50 megapixel main camera on the rear. So pretty nice there. So it says here, with up to 3 days of battery life, Moto G Power lets you capture more without stopping to recharge. Tell your story more creative. Tell your story in more creative ways with a 50 megapixel camera featuring dual capture. View games, movies, and video chats on an ultra wide 6.5 inch HD plus display with a 90Hz refresh rate. So that's very nice. Hold what matters with 64 gigabytes of built-in storage, and enjoy the speed of an Octa core processor to power your journeys. So you get up to 3 days of battery life, what they're claiming here, which you also get great battery life in this phone regardless, because it only has an HD plus display, which is a 720p display, but it also has a 90Hz refresh rate as well. So that's very nice. So it's stopping to reach 3 days battery for 110 hours, 5,000 mAh battery. Listen to music for 110 hours, watch videos for 18 hours, or keep up with social media for 17 hours. That's what they claim, of course. Usage will vary. Your usage will vary. So yeah. It's a 50 megapixel camera system plus dual capture. Take sharper, brighter pictures in low light setting in low light settings thanks to quad pixel technology. Capture incredible close-ups capture incredible close-up details with the macro vision camera and turn everyday photos into professional portraits using the depth sensor. Plus, enjoy new features like dual capture, which lets you shoot with both front and rear cameras at the same time. So you guys do get a macro vision camera lens and a depth sensor on the back. So that is pretty cool. 64 gigabytes of built-in storage. Never give storage a second thought. Hold hundreds of apps and videos or over 1,000 songs, and you can always add up to 512 gigabytes more using a micro SD card. So there you go. You guys get 64 gigabytes, and this is built-in storage. Bring nice and fluids and video page. You will enjoy smooth playing the game or scrolling. Updates with the 90Hz enjoy smooth and seamless screen. Updates with the 90Hz refresh rate. Octa core performance. Get a boost in speed and efficiency from an octa-core processor with hyper engine technology. Plus, feel your phone respond instantly to every touch, tap, and swipe with 4 gigabytes of RAM. And I guess that's the inside of the phone there. If that really is, that's pretty cool. So yeah. I think it's dual flash on the back. That's what it looks like. It's dual flash, but I could be wrong. Water repellent design. So the Moto G Power is not waterproof, guys. So don't submerge your phone in water, but it's water repellent. It has a water repellent design. It says don't let spills or splashes get in the way, whether you are going for a run or taking a call in the rain. A water repellent design keeps your phone protected. So if you guys get a little water on your phone, you guys should be fine. It's not waterproof, guys, so don't submerge your phone in water, because just don't do it, because it's not rated for it doesn't have an IP rating, so don't submerge your phone in water. But it has a water repellent coating, so if you're outside in the rain, you can talk on the phone and you'll be just fine. Fingerprint Reader and face recognition. Securely unlock your phone using just a touch or a simple glance into the camera. So you do get facial recognition and fingerprint reader, which your fingerprint sensor is the iconic logo on the back of the phone. So very nice place to put it, and you also get facial recognition as well. So pretty cool features there for a budget phone like this. This is a very nice phone, like I said. So you get global and roaming network. You do get 4G on here. There is no 5G from what I could tell. Yeah, I don't think you get 5. Oh, yeah, you do. No, you don't. That's 3G up there. I don't know why 3G is up there. There is no 5G on board. No 5G. You do get 4G though. They got 3G and they got 2G, which is kind of interesting. So there's your 4G bands there, 3G and 2G bands there on top. The Moto G Power 2022. Height is 6.58 inches. The width is 3.1 inches. The depth is 0.37 inches. The Moto G Power weighs 7.16 ounces. USB-C charging port, which is pretty much standard now, because it is. Color is a dark gray color, so it's kind of like a dark gray color, so pretty nice looking phone. Eco certifications, I don't know what that means. I guess it has like some materials that have like recyclable materials or something. I don't know what the eco certifications is. I don't know what that is. Screen 6.5 inches, like I mentioned. Also, it's an HD plus display, which is a 720p display. It is a max vision display. Has a 90 Hz refresh rate, so that's very cool. 20:9 aspect ratio. It is an LCD display, and it's HD plus, like I said. 23 days of standby time, 72 hours of usage time, 5,000 mAh battery, 10 watt rapid charging, 8 megapixel front facing camera, 50 megapixel main camera on the rear. Video, the main camera, which is on the rear, which is 50 megapixel, takes Full HD videos at 30 frames per second. It has a MediaTek Helio G37 processor with an Octa core, Android 11, which is pretty good. It's not the latest and greatest, but it's still pretty good. 4 gigabytes of RAM, 64 gigabytes of RAM, expandable up to 512 gigabytes via micro SD. Hotspot up to 10 devices. Fingerprint Reader, which is the iconic logo on the back of the phone, and facial recognition as well. As your security options, Bluetooth 5.0, Google Assistant, of course. There's your hearing aid compatibilities, 4G. Like I said, there is no 5G on board because I don't know why, but there is no 5G. I thought it had 5G on it, but it said 3G on it, not 5G. So there is no 5G, but you do get 4G LTE though. It's still better than nothing. You do have, there's your SAR ratings. Wi-Fi connections are 8211 ABGN and AC, dual band Wi-Fi. It says 5G Wi-Fi, so no, it says 5G Wi-Fi. It's kind of interesting. It's probably, I'm pretty sure it's the dual band Wi-Fi. I'm pretty sure it is. CDMA less, so it's DCDMA less. It has HD voice, has HD voice with video calling, it has HD voice with Wi-Fi calling. Verizon adaptive sound, it does not have that. It has a bottom ported loudspeaker and a 3.5 headphone jack, which is very nice to have because a lot of phones now are not coming with the headphone jack. So that's very good to have one, just in case you guys need a headphone jack. You guys will have one on this phone. It doesn't have push to talk and restricted. What the hell? That's kind of interesting. It says restricted in Alaska. That's kind of interesting. I don't know why they would put that on here. I don't know. It's kind of weird. But there's your specs there. Pretty decent spec sheet there. This is a budget phone. So you do get what you pay for here. You do get 4G, like I said. There is no 5G. I thought it had a 5G on here, but it's at 3G. So yeah. So if you guys need help with your Moto G power, Verizon has you covered with that with device support, which is a great tool. So if you guys need to learn how to set up Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, email, stuff like that on your phone, device support can help you out with that. So it says here, Verizon wireless support helps you better understand your Verizon mobile device and other Verizon services. So check it out if you guys ever need help with your phone. So what comes in the box is your Moto G Power 2022 prepaid smartphone, 10 watt rapid charger, USB-C cable, and SIM tool and pre-installed SIM card, and your Verizon guys, like your terms and conditions and stuff like that. So you pretty much standard stuff in the box. So nothing special in the box there. Yeah. So there you guys have it. The Moto G Power 2022 version is now available at Verizon Prepaid. It's available now for $249.99. Like I said, this is a budget phone, so you do get what you pay for her. If it was $200, it'd be great. But it's Verizon, so it's gonna be a bit high because it's Verizon, and your guys are paying to use the Verizon network. And Verizon has great coverage in my personal opinion. But if you guys are looking to get a budget phone on Verizon Prepaid, the Moto G Power 2022 version could be worth taking a look at here. It's available now for $249.99. Specs on here are pretty decent. You do get 4G LTE. There is no 5G, like I thought it was, but I was wrong. You do get fast charging. You do get Android 11, which is pretty good. You know, it's not the latest and greatest right now, but Android 11 is still pretty good. I don't know if it's gonna get Android 12 or not. I don't know if it is. Maybe, I have no idea. You're getting a big ass battery at 5,000 milliamps. The display, it will look decent. You're getting a 90 Hz refresh rate, so that's pretty nice. So yeah, for $250, it's really not that bad. The price is, I guess it's justifiable, of course, because you're getting, like I said, you're getting a 90 Hz refresh rate. If it had a 60 Hz refresh rate, the price would be a bit lower. But since it has a 90 Hz refresh rate, it's gonna be a bit more, obviously. But that's not the only reason why it's $249. That's not the only reason. So yeah, the 90 Hz refresh rate is a very nice feature to have, especially on the budget phone. So 90 Hz is better than 60 Hz. So y'all guys should see a bit more smoother transitions on screens and stuff like that. So yeah, like I said, if you guys are looking to get a budget phone on Verizon Prepaid, the Moto G Power is worth taking a look at here. It's available now for $249.99. So if you guys enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up, guys. If it helps me out a lot, please rate, comment, subscribe. Thank you very much for watching my video, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.